Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 Chevy Nova 2. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Got the 4-bolt main late model block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, correct oil pan for the 64 Nova 2. Customer's running rack and pinion steering, so that's correct oil pan. You have the Taylor ignition wires in blue with all the wire markers, aluminum cylinder heads installed, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Chevrolet script valve covers in the orange. Aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housings installed, thermostats installed, extra water ports for any coolant sensors if needed. Quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket and spring and ball, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor set in place, real important for firewall clearance on the 64 Nova. Customer needs the 153 tooth standard flywheel, so that's one we put on there. Proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. Pilot bushings installed, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, chrome fuel lines up to the carburetor, heavy duty Russell fuel lines with the inline gas filter. All the fittings are installed on the high flow fuel pump. Every engine is live run here at the engine factory. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. You'll see the water temperature, manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go. So again, this is our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey engine. You ready to buy? Give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.